ChatGPT Image 2 is out, but can it do proper aspect ratios now? Let's find out. So whether you're using it natively in ChatGPT or using it on like ElevenLabs or Hailuo or Higgsfield, whatever you're using for your AI, the most annoying part about GPT Image 1 or 1.5 is this right here. It could only do square images or 2:3 or 2:3, landscape or portrait, whichever aspect ratio. That's really annoying because you can't even do thumbnails for YouTube that way because that needs to be 16:9. And I had to find this out the hard way because in ChatGPT, every time I would ask it to generate like a thumbnail or something, I would say 16:9. It would go, got it. And then it would generate it, but it wasn't 16:9. And then it was like, well, I'm trying. It was very frustrating. Let's find out. So let's move up here to ChatGPT 2, just launched. And drum roll. Oh, look at that. Holy crap. I think it has more than Nano Banana now. That's a lot of aspect ratios. So we can pretty much do anything. That's fantastic. Let me check. Nano Banana 2. Well, pretty much the same ones, I think. Close enough. Okay, so it looks like it can natively do all these aspect ratios, which is phenomenal. But will it do it in ChatGPT natively? That's what I want to know. Because in these other platforms like Hailuo, ElevenLabs, and so on, you can check off the aspect ratio you want, and then it kind of figures it out in the back and makes sure that it generates in that aspect ratio. But if you're using it natively in ChatGPT, you have to just tell it in your prompt to use that proper image. So let's find out. Okay, you're using your new GPT Image 2.0. Generate YouTube thumbnail for ChatGPT 2.0 that says, finally, 16:9 aspect ratio. Make sure to generate this image in proper 16:9. Let's see what it does. While it's doing that, let's check out if Hailuo has it. I don't think it has it yet. No, Hailuo has not implemented. Hailuo seems to be behind recently. They don't have CDance 2. They don't have GPT 2. What's going on? Am I going to have to switch? Because ElevenLabs seems to be providing me with more stuff now. And then there's this Higgsfield that people are telling me to use. So we'll have to find out. Look at that. I like that. That was pretty quick. Well, there you go. ChatGPT can now do 16:9 aspect ratio, finally, after all this time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Check out my other video where I compared a whole bunch of image generators before GPT 2.0. Check that out. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.